this is White Odie. Or, yeah, White Odie. Anyways, this is going to be my very first video. Don't blame me. Okay, see this can? I'm going to make it stay in place with soda in it. Watch. Oops. Sorry. Okay, here it goes. There we go. Okay. Now, see the can? Nothing is holding it up. Nothing. Nothing. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. To do it, nope, sorry. Okay, to do it, you have to have an equal amount of liquid in here. Or maybe sometimes just a little. You set it down, flip it over, make sure it's balanced, and ta-da! Now it's your turn to try it.